To the Cancer Crusaders Club, lubos po ang aking paghanga sa inyong masigasig at matibay na makikipaglaban sa cancer. Merry Christmas sa ating lahat!
Hello everyone! May the spirit of Christmas fill your life with hope, love, peace, joy, and blessings. Merry Christmas to all of us!
Merry Christmas, Cancer Crusaders! Wishing you all love, peace, and joy this Christmas and always.
I hope you have this season full of peace, love, joy, and happiness. God bless us all.
To my co-members of the Cancer Crusaders Club, may you all have faith, hope, and love this Christmas season. Wishing you and your families good health, peace, prosperity, and happiness always.
Mga kasama ko sa Cancer Crusader, miss ko na kayo. Sana magkita-kita tayo. Ang dalangin ko sa Pasko ito, sana bigyan tayo ng mahaba at magandang buhay. Ganun din sina Dr. Poso at Dr. Dancel para masubaybayan tayo. At kay Ma'am Beth, advance happy birthday. Sa inyong lahat, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love you.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Also, Miss Beth and all Cancer Crusaders Club. God bless us all!
To the members of Cancer Crusaders Club headed by Dr. Ray Hawthorne. May we all have a blessed Christmas full of love, peace, joy, and happiness. Happy holidays everyone and stay safe.